Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I'm going to share with you some things that you can do with your planner stash other than planning, because you know I'm all about using our stash. So for this I'm mostly thinking about sticker books. How can we use these sticker books in different ways? And other stickers, like how can we use our sticker stash? How can we use our sticker stash? Because I think stuff like whiteout, pens, adhesive and stuff like that, they have lots of uses, right? So let's think about ways that we can use our stickers. So the first way that immediately for me comes to mind is cards. And if you're not sure about cards and card making, it's super easy. Generally, I use a thicker cardstock rather than paper. This is just cardstock available from Walmart or any stationery store. This is letter size. I would cut this in half. And now I can make 2 cards from this. All I have to do is fold it in half. And you could do this with a scoreboard and do it properly. I just literally score mine in half. I use something sturdy to do the fold with, and then you can either use it that way or that way. So now I have 2 cards, and how I think about this is I can use stickers, I can use washi, I can use all of my other pens, etc. on this. And it's a good way to also use up all of the stickers that you don't like that are in a similar color scheme. Maybe you have a lot of thanks stickers or be kind or today. Today is the good one, today. And then you can send one that is like today, it's your birthday. Put all of your today stickers on here, it's your birthday. For me, coffee. All of the coffee stuff, and then inside I can put a gift card to a coffee place. So don't overthink it. All you need is some white cardstock and your stickers or some washi or both. Along with greeting cards, thank you cards, Christmas cards, etc. is going to be invitations. So if you have an invitation that you want to do and it's to a party and it's a weird theme, just get yourself into your stash, find some weird stickers, slap them on there, and then a little box, invitation, details, blah, 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 done. And you could even, if you were doing invitations, get 4 out of these, because invitations are generally just a flat card, not a folding card. So yeah, make your own invite, especially if you've got kids. Tons of kid stickers, super easy, especially for Dollar Tree stuff and stuff like that. Like super easy, make your own. Now, along a similar vein to that is tags. That is gift tags, all kinds of tags. And I think this works well with your vertical stickers. All you would have to do is put them onto cardstock. You would put one on the front, one on the back, cut around it, punch a little hole in, boom, you've got a tag. And you could even use these little ones instead. I'm just using the today as an example. Little bit of thread through it and you've got a sticker. To, from, the end, boom, done. And you've used your stash. You don't need to buy something new when you already have it in your stash. That's public service announcement for today. All right, the next way that you can use your stickers and your planner stash is for stationery. So if you have a sheet of paper, you've written all of your stuff on here. And then you're like, hey, you know what I want to do? I want to make this a little bit more fun and interesting. I'm going to put some flowers on my paper. That's the first thing you could do. You could put some flowers, you can put some boxes, you could put a little fun thing in the bottom. And then you fold it up and you put it into an envelope. Now what you can do to make your envelope a little bit more fun is put washi tape on the back. You could put a little circle sticker. You could put your little banner or your flag stickers on the back, and then it's just a little bit more fun for the recipient to open. Now, another thing that you can do with your circle stickers and any, I'm going to call them identical stickers, something that is the same shape works well with hexagons as well, like something that's the same shape, whether it be circles, squares, hexagons, whatever it is. You can use them as cake toppers. So you know your cupcakes that you have, and you have that little pointy thing. I'm gonna use my embossing tool as it's a toothpick, right? You usually have a toothpick in there with a little something on the top. You can literally, if you have a special somebody that you've made a cake for or you've bought a cake for, you could just put 2 of these back to back, sandwich it between your toothpick, and then put it on top of the cake. It's a little bit more individualized and personal. How fun would these be as cake toppers? You just sandwich these back to back with your toothpick in the middle, put it on a cupcake. Individualized cake toppers. Just an idea. The next idea is going to be journals, but it doesn't have to be a journal. It could be a traveler's notebook or something like that. It could be just a little to-do list. It could be an art journal where you just need like a blank space to put your journaling in, and you could just use one of your stickers for there. Maybe you're using your decorative stickers and your functional stickers and your art journaling that way. So think about them for journaling as well as just for planning. Next up is another one of those ideas to use leftover stickers, and that is to create bookmarks. All you need is some cardstock, cut it into strips, and the strip really depends on how thick you want your bookmark to be. Put your stickers on the page, and they can be any kind of size, and all you have to do then is use some clear sticker paper, or I've shown you before how to use the Dollar Tree draw liner, like the clear draw liner, $1.25, and it just kind of gives it a protective sheen over the bookmark. You make your own bookmarks. Make your bookmarks for your kids, for friends, for all the things. Leave them in the library. Make a bookmark. One of the other things that you can do is that you can use your stickers and your washi and your stash for memory keeping. So if you have a scrapbook or some kind of other memory keeping project, you can put all of your stickers in there. You can see all of the vertical sticker here. I've got a vertical sticker here that I've used as washi tape. I've used the circle stickers. I've used the little headers. I've used the bullets. You can use your stickers in your memory keeping. This one's a little bit niche, but let's pretend that this is smaller, maybe about half the size of that, and you had a dinner party, Thanksgiving. You have Thanksgiving or a Christmas dinner coming up, and you can put place settings on each of the place settings at the table, and everyone has their name in alphabets that you have because you have your stash. And then you have a little sticker of the theme of the dinner party or whatever. Place settings. And to that point, even a little menu that people can take home of what they had at the dinner party, or the party, or party invitations, or thank you cards from the party. Now the next one I've talked about before, but you can make fridge magnets or table magnets, anything that's magnetic magnets. 2 types. These are just business card magnets, and you can even sometimes find stuff like this in Dollar Tree, but you can find these at Walmart. These were just off Amazon, and I'll try and leave links down below. These are just literally stick and go, and then it is a magnet. Use your stickers on there, use some pattern paper, use some washi, whatever it is, you spell out someone's name, boom, you got a magnet. You can also get this in sheets. Here we've got a slightly different one. This is like an acrylic fridge magnet. You'll just have something go in between the 2 sheets of the acrylic. All you need is a little bit of cardstock, cut it to size, and then boom, you've got a fridge magnet. And speaking about the little acrylic holders, these are 2 that I have in my office. This is a full letter size. This is a little, I think this is like 4x3. These are great, again, if you wanted to put one of your dividers from your planner in here and save it. Mount it onto cardstock, save it. Same with this. If you've got a nice quote sticker that you want to keep, put it in a little display thing. Display holder? Display holder. Or you could put it in a photo frame. And the final thing, I guess, is to make some kind of tracker or chore chart, or maybe like a a menu plan or something, kind of a sheet for that will go on the side of your fridge. Again, using the magnets, right, to hold it on the side of your fridge. But can you do something like that you can make wipeable with dry erase markers? Again, get your paper, put your stickers down, figure out what you want, and then put the clear draw liner over the top, or just a clear sheet of sticker paper over the top. And then you can just use dry erase markers and use it over and 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 over again. Okay, I hope that helped just show you a few ways that maybe you hadn't thought of for using your planner supplies. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye! Oh my god, did you just come up here to fart? Did you? Did you? This is going to be a problem, isn't it? This is going to be a problem with you. Hi! 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 Oh, you're a little boy, you are. I know, your sister's gone outside. Go follow your sister. Go follow your sister. Oh, go on, go follow your sister.